learn coding for free and earn certificates recognized by companies? Let me show you how SoloLearn works. So today in this video, I'll show you how to learn coding for free using SoloLearn and how to earn certificates that can boost your resume. Basically, this SoloLearn is a free platform to learn programming. This is available on mobile plus web. This is ideal for beginners. It offers short lessons, quizzes, projects and certificates. So click on register, give your name, email, password, then click on sign up. So you'll get like welcome and let's do this. Click on this, click next, and then do you have experience in the tech field? So you can select anything. I have no experience. If you're a beginner, you can select this. If you are in like just you have some knowledge about coding, you can click on I have some experience. And if you have much more knowledge about that, you can click I have a lot of experience. So let me click I have no experience or I have some experience. What best describe you at the moment? I study, I'm an entrepreneur, I work, other. I study. What's your age group? Why do you want to learn to code? You can select anything. To become a developer. What what do you study? Select what do you study. What are you here to learn? Learn how to use AI, analyze data with code, analyze data with AI, understand the basics of coding, make and modify websites, work with software and databases, something else. I can see all courses. You can select anything from this, but let's see. Understand the basics of coding. Then we have the path for you. Master the code, you need to write websites and programs and tap into databases. You will learn to HTML. Create websites from scratch in HTML, the language every page is built. Use the international standard language for databases. Specialize in Python, the world's fastest growing programming language. No need to have any previous coding experience. Then click on Take Course. What is your daily learning goal? You can set your goal. So click on Start My First Lesson. So read this. Python is one of the most popular and useful languages used to give instruction to computers. Click on Continue. Then you will get some like learning basics of Python. Python has a simple syntax which means it's easy to write, read and learn. Complete a line of code below to send a message to the screen. So what will come here? Print. In this way you can complete all the exercises and earn the certificates. So there are many other courses also will be in this. You can explore everything. So let me show you how you can explore it. Do it anyway. So here you can see courses. From these you can choose any, like view full catalog. Here are some of the courses which you can learn and earn certificates. So once explore these and select your desired course from here. Now click on the profile. Go to profile. Here you can see your profile and you can maintain the streaks here as you maintain it in Snapchat or any other apps. So here you can see your course progress and you can manage it. You can browse different courses. So from here also you can access all the courses. Next, and you can see your certificates here. In this field you can see your certificate. So let me show you proof that you can get certificates from SoloLearn. I have already did 2 courses from this SoloLearn. So let me show you those certificates. So here is my another account. So here what I did is generative. So here are some of the courses which I started. But I completed these 2 courses, that is Introduction to C and Introduction to Python, when I was in my first year. So let's see the certificate. So here is the certificate, you can see. Okay. You can download them and you can post in your LinkedIn's and you can add the certificates to your resume too. So this will add a weightage to your resume. So if you are a beginner, SoloLearn is the best place to start. Completely free, structured And trust me, you'll enjoy learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. See you in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.